Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sewing a shirt dress. Perfect for relaxed weekend outings, casual errands, or simply a comfortable and stylish everyday look. Let's get started. Before beginning, prepare all the necessary materials: a pattern, fabric, lining fabric, matching thread, and snap buttons. Once everything is ready, it's time to move on to the first step. Start by cutting the fabric carefully according to the pattern, making sure to follow the lines accurately. Clip or notch all notches as indicated. Then trace the markings with a tracing wheel. Next, align the interfacing panels onto the fabric panels and press to fuse them together. Fold the front placket facing in half and give it a good press. Then press all the remaining panels as well. Fold the front placket in half and secure the placement with sewing pins. Once pinned, fold the front placket in half again and straight stitch along the edge. Finish off with a press to keep everything neat and crisp. Straight stitch to attach the side placket. Then clip the center front. Tuck the side placket inside the front placket. Turn it over and align the edge carefully. Straight stitch along the side placket's edge. Then serge the edge to finish. Straight stitch to attach the side pocket. Then clip the edge and lay the side pocket flat. Top stitch the side pocket seam, then align the facing to the side pocket and straight stitch to attach the side pocket facing. Repeat the same steps on the other side pocket. Once both facings are attached, align the side pocket and facing together along the curve edge, then straight stitch along the curve edge to join the pocket and facing together. Repeat on the other side pocket to keep both sides matching. Straight stitch to join the shoulder seams, then fold and top stitch each shoulder seam for a clean finish. Repeat on the other side. Then give the shoulder seams a good press. Straight stitch to join the collar pieces together, then clip the collar corner edges. Turn the corner inside out and use a tweezer to gently push the corners out. Press the corners nice and flat. Secure the facing onto the collar placement with sewing pins, then straight stitch to join the facing on the collar. Fold the bottom collar piece in half and clip the fold of the neck. Align the top and bottom collar together, secure with sewing pins, and straight stitch to join them. Cut away any excess collar edge. Turn the bottom collar inside out and press the collar to finish. Straight stitch to hem the sleeves. Then double fold the shirt hem and straight stitch to hem the shirt as well. Press the hem for a polished finish. Straight stitch to attach the label onto the shirt dress. Mark the buttonhole placement on the side placket. Adjust the stitch length accordingly, then stitch the buttonholes on the markings. Mark the button placement on the side placket then hand stitch the buttons onto the markings. And that's it. The shirt dress is complete and ready to wear. For more sewing tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.